can you give message to him that make him more palaban sa buhay?
I think don't give up now. There's a reason why God wakes you up. There's a reason why God wakes you up every day. It's because He still has plans for you. So.
Oh, what can you say? Uy! Tagalog, pwede siyang makaintindi Tagalog.
Ay, si Eric, nag-English siya.
Ayaw nga pala. Marunong pala sa English siya. Isagot mo daw. Do you have something to tell pa? What about Kuya Jano? Kakagraduate lang. Do you have...
College? Oh. I just want to say congratulations on your graduation. So I wish you good luck on finding that. And hopefully you have a successful future as well.
Thank you.
Napalaban? Ang galing? Pwede?
Napapatawa niyo si si Eric.
Pamangkin, can you try, Kuya? Kuya? Natakot. Ano lang, konti lang.
Right?
Can you try the mic?
Hello, hello.
Okay, you're the
Hello,
one.
hello.
You're the one to start the vlog.
Oh.
Dapat you have more smiling face,
Okay.
energy.
What should I say?
It's up to you. What do you want to say?
Magandang umaga po, mga Tekram. Today, I'm here with Tito Darius, Albert,
Sarap pakiramdam to pag English yung babanggit.
Albert, Kuya Steven, Tito Ramil, Noah, and Luis. And today we're going to drop off the gifts from Ninang
Pauline.
to the Subo siblings.
What? Galing! Amazing pamangkin. So why Kuya Dave is not with us?
Dave, unfortunately, is not with us because he has an infection in one of his ears. And so he got it checked up yesterday and he's getting...
Emergency.
He's taking medicine? No. Okay.
Nangyari yun sa Subic, sa pagkaka-dive nila. How can you say it in English?
He got the infection from all the swimming and diving and all the water activities we did while we were in Pagudpod at Visaya. Bigan. Oh, not Visaya, Bigan.
Nakakatuwa ako ka Tekram. Yung mga pamangkin ko na sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakasama. Muntikan ko na nakalimutan na nakasama ko namin sila ng 3 years o 4 years. So ganun na pala namin sila katagal nakasama. Pero sa isip ko parang nabisita lang ko sila sandali. Pero nung nabuksan ko yung mga pictures, yung sa Facebook ko, hinahanap ko kasi yung mga lumang mga pictures namin. Kasi naalala ko, yung may mga kinikis ko yung paa niya, yung lagi ko siyang, yung bit-bit, ganun. Yun, nakita ko ganun palang katagal. Ang dami namin palang pinagsamahan din. Kasi, what do you remember to me, Kuya? I want to ask if you remember me well when you're that age.
I think all I remember was when you kissed my feet. And I think we used to have a dog before. It was in the back of the house. It was like a big white dog. Lots of fur. I forgot the name though. Noi.
Yeah.
And like that you were a big brother in the family. But I think that's it.
Only that. Hindi mo naalala yung ano. Tagalogin ko na lang katek. Nahirapan ako eh.
Ano doon? Nag-hold down pa.
Kasi walang practice. It's hard for me to speak in English. Kasi katekram, mahirap pagka hindi po siya nagagamit talaga. Very hard. Someday, I will show you the pictures. You will remember what's happening when way back 10 years ago. And there are so many things that bumalik sa isip ko na ganun pala kami nun. Hindi ko na maalala kasi yun. Kaya nakakatuwa lang. For me, your mom is the best mama in the world. Except to your Lola and your Tita Jack. But for me, your mom is one of the best mama in the world.
Yeah, I think I'm lucky to have a mom like her too, and a dad like my dad.
Because they're rice well. Rice? Pagkain yata. Raise well or
He is hungry.
Yeah, what? Raise?
Raise
You well.
Raise you well. Are we close?
Not yet. Maybe we can Tita Jack.
We're gonna be there for 3 days and 2 nights.
Oh no. Tomorrow na. So 3 days you're not with us for 3 days. My heart will be sad. But if I have 3 kids here, it's the 3 days nothing.
No?
Yeah.
No? Mamaltok. You know mamaltok? You make it like this. You make it like this. No, I'll do it first.
If I have 3 kids right now, the 3 days of
Like
sadness without you is nothing. If you
Okay.
kiss me here.
Okay.
Ito mamaltok.
1.
Mamaltok.
Isa.
Ang mamaltok.
Okay. Oh, wow.
No, more.
Oh.
Dalawa. No. Okay, last one.
With sounds
What I
out.
just did, do the sounds.
Why you make punas? Ang clean naman.
Is it salty?
No.
I thought you, punas like that.
No.
Hindi, may petroleum kasi siya to. Baka,
I want to say you something pala. Sometimes, we get
Yeah,
busy
we get
there when you come back. But di ba sometimes your mama and papa is not feeling well. They are thinking so much. The medicine for that, you always ask them, are you okay, mama, papa? Don't forget that, ha? Kasi in America, it's puro work. So you don't have much time to like that. When you do that, when you respect and love, care your mama and papa, there's a blessing more than your expectation to our God. That's true. Don't forget that. May box. Congratulations. May box galing kay Tita Pauline.
Let's go.
Can you do it?
Yeah. Go lower.
Ayan, Tita Pauline Posadas.
First.
We have new Tekram kits.
Saan po rito?
Doon na muna siguro sa loob. But we need to knock muna first. Can you patong-patong here muna?
Okay. Put it there.
Yeah. Yeah. Tao po. You say tao po.
Tao po. Hello.
Hapon. Umaga.
Congratulations. He graduated.
Oh, congratulations.
Maubos yung English ko dito.
It's my pamangkin, Nathan. Kuya Nathan, it's Kuya Jano.
Nice
Hello.
to meet you.
Ayan. And you have many person to meet here. Can we
Okay.
go inside? Okay. We have a very, very big box for all of you guys. Oy, it's your tita.
Pasalubong, Nathan.
Bless mo na.
What's your sleep?
Aba, si Nathan ano na? Marunong ng...
Oh, bayaw! May dala akong box. Kumusta? Yung aking hug. Mwah! Isang kiss lang, walang ganyan. Yung hug ko. Yung kiss. Mwah! I want you to meet my pamangkin. Why you the same color? Okay. I want you to meet my pamangkin. You already meet them na, di ba? Ay, ba't pa ako nag-i-English? Kuya Eric, si Nathan. You go there. Yeah, you meet my pamangkin.
Hello.
Kuya Nathan, you talk to my It's my baby Damulag.
Baby
Do you know what
Damulag?
is baby Damulag? It's di ba baby? But it's my baby, but it's Damulag, big. Ate Gustan, nasaan yung hug ko? Minsan-minsan lang ako makapunta eh. Yung kiss ko. Nga. O, dyan ka. Ay, Ate Crystal, may enjoy mo yung regalo ni Tita Pauline sa'yo. Ate Lisa. Kumusta yung bagong graduate? Grabe naman. Grabe. Class of 2024. Suba Jano Cruz. Congratulations again, Kuya. I'm super proud of you. You made it for your family. Kachi? Kategram naman. Saan ka pa? Ano yung feeling, Kuya?
Sir, sa tagal ko sa college, nag-extend pa ako ng 1 year. Survive.
Ba't pinilit mong tapusin yung college, Kuya Jano?
Ngayon po, yun lang po yung panghahawakan ko pagkadating ng araw. Wala naman po kasi ibang... kasi po, sa career ko po, siyempre, yung madalas kinukuha po is college graduate na lang po. Kaya kailangan ko talaga.
Anong gusto mo sabihin sa mga kabataan ngayon? May mga pera sila, kaya ng mga gulang nilang pag-aralin sila, pero tamad sila mag-aral.
Yan po siguro. Siguro, hindi pa nila nakikita yung kahalagahan ng pag-aaral. Kasi siguro, darating din sa kanila yung point na makikita nila yung kahalagahan ng edukasyon sa buhay. Lahat naman tayo may pinagdadaanan po. Pero kailangan pa rin natin na umapit po sa Panginoon. Kailangan po yung kauna-una makaintindi sa mga problema natin.
Ang galing. Grabe ng Tito Jano natin. Ay, Kuya Jano natin. So yun, nandito kami. Kasi nga si Tita Pauline Posadas, meron siyang sa inyo, pagmamahal na pinapadala sa inyo. Ate Lisa, ang dami natutuwa kay Kuya Eric ngayon.
Tingnan mo naman si Eric.
Napakagaling mo daw na nanay. Asawa. I mean, sorry. Medyo ako doon. Nadulas ako, sorry. Paupuin ko lang si Bayaw dito. Bayaw, dito nga. Hindi lang, 5 minutes lang.
Ito.
Ano yung pakiramdam, Bayaw, na isa sa mga kapatid mo natapos ng college? Gabi ng ngiti, Happy para sa kanya. Gaano kasaya 1 to 10? 10. Siyempre, 10. Kuya Nathan, di ba Tito Jun show the video, Kuya, no? lying there, full of ano. So, right now, what can you say?
I think he's doing a lot better. In terms of like physically, as what I can see.
Can you give message to him that make him more palaban sa buhay?
I think don't give up now. There's a reason why God wakes you up. There's a reason why God wakes you up every day. It's because He still has plans for you. So.
What can you say? Uy! Tagalog, pwede siya makaintindi Tagalog.
Uy, si Eric, nag-English siya.
Ay, oo nga pala. Marunong pala sa English siya. Isagot mo daw. Okay. Do you have something to tell pa? What about Kuya Jano? Is graduated, kaka-graduate lang. Do you have...
College? Oh. So how old are you now?
25.
25. I just want to say congratulations on your graduation and all your hard work that you put in to graduate. I heard you said you put in 1 extra year?
Yeah, I extended 1 year.
You extended 1 year. Why?
Because of my thesis.
Thesis?
Thesis or my research.
Oh, your research.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What are you majoring in? Or what did you major in?
I don't have a major, but my degree is information technology.
Oh, IT.
Yeah.
I'm something like in the computer too, but I want to be a computer engineer. Yeah. So, do you want to become, or do you want to have a job that's like IT?
More on programming, I guess.
Okay. So I wish you good luck on finding that, and hopefully you have a successful future as well.
Thank you.
Napalaban? Ang galing. Pwede?
Napapatawa niyo si si Eric.
Pamangkin, can you try, Kuya? Kuya? Natakot. Ano lang, konti lang.
Pag nangunguyab doon siya, sasama. Right? Nangunguyab ka pa.
Kasi okay lang mamaya na. Natakot si Bayo eh. Can you try to talk to my baby Damulag? I want to hear, how good in English. Tunay. Sige lang. Sagutin mo sa Tagalog.
So, do you play any sports? Or do you like to play any sports? Madalang? Like once in a while? Not much.
Ask him more.
How old are you?
34.
34?
Tignan mo siya.
Are you going to school? Do you go to school?
Tapos na.
Oh, tapos na.
Tignan mo siya. Huwag ka magpausap.
Did you major in anything in your college? Or did you go to college?
Wala. Hindi na.
Oh. Do you plan to start a family? Plan to have a wife?
Kusang dumadating niya.
What does that mean?
Kusang
Nope.
In the right time.
Oh, I like the way you think. I think that's the right way of thinking in the right time. God will just give you someone. Just put them in your life. What do you look for in a girl?
Ang lahat.
Do you want them to be loyal, caring, kind, humorous, funny?
Umuwi pa ng Amerika yan para makamusta ka. Tingnan mo siya. Matuto kong nakaharap sa kausap. You look, Nathan.
Maghanap muna ang dahilan. Maghanap muna ang dahilan. Wala pa naman.
Wala. Ayun, sa kanya masabihin, wag sa akin.
So you don't have any expectations yet? Okay. What is your favorite food?
Secret.
Huwag mo na yung secret, sabihin mo na.
You have to figure it out then. Mine is Esau. I think that For me, for my favorite food, even though it's not anything special, it was just from a very special memory to me. So sometimes food doesn't have to mean a lot. It's just like the memories you get from it. Because I used to buy isaw from a person that walks by the streets, and but I went to America, and then now I'm back here, so that's just all I remember. So it was just a heartwarming memory getting isaw with my sister.
Can I ask Nathan how old is he?
Try natin yung bagong graduate pala. Gaano kagaling sa English naman. Yung bagong
Maubos
graduate.
akong English. Your Nathan is your full name, Nathan, or your...
My full name is Nathaniel Manalastas Manimbo, but you can call me Nate.
Haba? How long you been in the Philippines now?
I think 1.5 weeks or 2 weeks, but we're only staying for around a month. So
When is your flight?
we'll be leaving around August 8th.
Oh, okay.
But we've already went to a lot of places like Bagutpod and Vigan.
Vegan. I don't go there yet.
There's a lot of swimming. Do you know how to swim?
Little.
A little bit. Are you scared of the ocean?
Maybe.
I'm scared of the ocean because I don't know what's below me. That's kind of like the scary part of swimming in the ocean. The deep parts is that it's dark and you don't know if there's sharks.
Yeah.
I'm scared of sharks.
Where do you live in America?
I live in Chicago, Illinois.
Chicago, Illinois.
Specifically Niles. It's like it's a quiet part of the city.
Do you have parents here? The Philippines?
No, my parents are in the U.S. Still at her house. They
sino po? Sino po nga?
At Tita G.
they stayed there because you know they have a job and they want to keep earning money. So parents do what they have to do sometimes.
Yun na lang po. Wala na ko itatanong.